can take a break from Facebook by just deactivating it or even deleting it. So in today's video, I'll teach you guys how to do that. But before that, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Now let's start. First, just open up your Facebook. Now after you've opened your Facebook, wait a sec, I'm on my page. I'll just go to my personal page. Now right here, this is my personal profile, guys. Now this is what you're mostly deal with. You've been spending too much time on the videos, on the post, on this funny little ducks. So I'll teach you guys how you can remove that and you can take some time off. First, what you'll have to do is go to your menu, and after you're on your menu, just scroll down till you find the settings and privacy. Now tap on settings and privacy and go to settings. After you're on settings, you'll see the Meta Account Center right there. Tap on Meta Account Center, and after you're on Meta Account Center, scroll down till you see the account settings. Now when you are on your account settings, you will see the option called personal details. Tap on personal details, and right there you will see the account ownership and control. Tap on account ownership and control and go to deactivation or deletion. Now just choose your account, and there you have it. Now for taking a break, you will have two options. One is to deactivate your account, that is, you will be temporarily unavailable on your social media, that is your Facebook, or you can directly delete your account. Now deleting your account is permanent and you won't be able to use your Facebook after you've just deleted it completely. So make the correct choice and tap on continue, and after you tap on continue, you will be able to just deactivate your account. I'm tapping continue. Now you will need to just type in your password, and after you type in your password, you are good to go. Your account will be deactivated, and it goes same for the deletion option too. Just tap on delete, select the delete option and tap on continue, type in your password, and yeah, that is pretty much it. That is how you can take a break from Facebook. Guys, thank you for watching. That is all for the video. I hope you guys enjoy your break. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.